Well, this is part 2 of our OSPF Lab 3.2. As you can see, I'm on router 3 right now. Again, we're going to now configure area 23 stub. So we type in router OSPF 1. Oops. It would have to be in config mode.
Company CEO Wendell Jones says they have had many challenges over the years, but moving forward, they will continue to be a leader.
Move it up and down and don't want to keep stiff. Oh.
These times
That's what you do, Granny.
new ideas, new approaches, and a new vision.
That's what you do?
Nation building and
Copy, run, start.
In addition,
Control Shift 6 and X. Go back to the access router. Go to router 2 now to configure the same stub area. Router OSPF 1 area 23 stub. Copy, run, start.
Earlier this week, Education Minister the Honorable Jerome Fitzgerald said that he finds the argument somewhat illogical, considering the reality believes the school's administrators should be allowed to do their jobs and parents should be held to a greater degree of responsibility.
Okay, so now that that's done, we are going to confirm that it all comes up by using the show IP OSPF neighbors command.
And allow them to do their job to ensure that there is certain discipline that's carried out.
And as you can see,
by them, not by the police. What does the police do? The police is sitting there armed and watching.
we have 2 neighbors in the full state, as you can see.
Not to be in the schools. I mean, I am very
Let's go to router 3.
effect that would have on the student themselves.
And a memorial service will be held this
Enter in the same command, show IP OSPF NEITH neighbors, and our neighbor shows up in full mood. So that is good. Now we see that router 3 has a default route pointing towards router 2. We use the show IP route command.
Thanks, Greg.
And as you can see, to the bottom, IA stands for inter-area router, as you can see here. So we have it up and running, and our gateway of last resort is up and running. Let's go back to router 2. We're going to now look at the output of our show IP OSPF command, and that is going to show us what type of area is on router 2. As you can see here, area 23 is a stub area and generates a stub default route with cost of 1. Now that we've done that, comes our next step. We want to configure a totally stubby area. Well, first we're going to go to router 3. Oops, sorry. Come on. Control Shift 6 and X. There we go. Router 3. We're gonna do the show IP route. As you can see, all the default routes. Notice the inter-area routes in addition to the default route that was generated by router 2. Now back on router 2, we do a show IP OSPF database command. We're going to look at all the output from here to see, on router 2, to see the link state addresses in the OSPF database. And there we have it. All of our link state addresses that are in the database. On router 2, we're going to enter FT router OSPF 1 area 23 stub no summary. I believe so. Show IP route now. As you can see, one inter area command there instead of all of the above from previously shown. The OSPF database, as you can see, the link ID shows the default route, and there we have it.